Pareto's Law. Gas balance. Hot water, cold water. Volume of gas increases as temperature increases. Volume of gas decreases as temperature decreases.
Okay, you guys saw the video, right? Isn't it good? Oh my god, just kidding. I mean, yeah, it is good. The way the balloon expand when the temperatures go up is amazing, right? And when the temperatures is a bit, too cold, nothing much happens. If at the first place that's yung kumbaga, ano yung word na yun? Okay, mamaya na nga. Okay, yeah, that's the thing. The thing that really amazed me is the way the balloon expand when the temperatures goes up. That's all. Like, you can see it, face to face, how it expand. Like, it's a bit scary, but also, I'm so proud of myself and my group mates. Yeah, I love them. Okay, bye. The end. Meow.